Students, how are you all? Student class 4, today take out your English textbook of class 4 and look at page 14. And students, if you remember, we have thoroughly discussed on in our previous lecture about how should we write a sentence, and for writing a sentence, what is the requirement. Like, first of all, we write the first word with capital letter. Whatever Whenever we starting a sentence, the first word of it is the first letter of the first word is always capital. This is obvious, and we have to write it. And then if pronoun, in pronoun I, whether it comes between or in the beginning, it is always capital. And those words which are proper noun, basically it's a not common noun. Like a school is a common noun, but if I say educator school, then it becomes proper noun. So we have to write it in capital letter, all these things. And the letter, and I also told you special holiday, date, day, all the things which is all these things, special event, historical event, we have to write it with capital letter. Do you remember? Today we will do with the related exercise of it. So let's see page number 14. Now look at the exercise B on page 14. So, now let's start it. Punctuate the following sentences. We have to punctuate it. Okay? So let's see. The city of Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. If you see, I have told you the first letter of every sentence is capital. So we will write T. We will write T as capital T, and city will be it is a common. We will not change it. Of Islamabad. Islamabad is the name of a place, a special place. So we will write it I capital. Is the capital of Pakistan. Pakistan is also a special place. So we will write. I have told you the state name and the city. All the cities and state names are written with capital letter. So let's write it. Keep noting it. Keep noting it with yourself as well. I hope you have also noted down in your book. The city of Islamabad, I will be capital, T will be capital, is this capital of Pakistan. P will be capital and full stop. Is that clear? Look at the second sentence, student. Adil and Ahmed are traveling to China. Like Adil and Ahmed, this is not a common noun, it is a proper noun. So we will write capital. A of Adil and A of Ahmed are traveling to China. China, as I told, in the above sentence was Pakistan. So we have write P capital of Pakistan. So here's China. China is also a name of a state. So we will write C of China capital. So let's write it. Have you written down in your books? Adil, A will be capital, and Ahmed, A will be capital, are traveling to China. C is the China is the name of a state, so we will write C also capital. So look at the third sentence. The educators school will reopen from Monday. So educators. So educator is a proper noun because the special name of a is the special name of a school. Okay, so will reopen from Monday. Monday is the name of a day, so we will also write M capital. So let's write it. And T is always capital because it is the beginning of the sentence. So let's write it. Look at the fourth sentence. My friend Amna and I are reading the Harry Potter series. So I always told you that first sentence of every first letter of every sentence which it is starting is always capital, and friend is written as same as it is. Amna is the name of a proper noun, is not a common noun, so it is the name of a person. So we will write A capital, and I. As I told you, pronoun is always whether it start in the starting or it used in the middle of a sentence is always capital. Pronoun I, it always capital. always, whether it is used start in the beginning or at the end, is always capital. Are reading the Harry Potter. Harry Potter is now a special thing. The Harry Potter is a special name, so we will write Harry H and Potter P, capital, and CD as it is. So let's write it. Have you noted down in your book? See, my friend Amna, A will be capital, and I will be capital, are reading the Harry Potter series. The T, educators, school, S will reopen from Monday M. So let's look at the fifth one. The train will stop at Lahore, Hyderabad, and Karachi. Now it is the starting, so we will write T capital. Train as it is will also stop at Lahore. Lahore is now the special place, name of a place. So we will write L capital. H, Hyderabad is also a special place, so H capital, and Karachi K capital. So let's write it. Now I hope you have also written down correctly in your book, like the train T capital, T train as it will stop at Lahore, T, L capital, H Hyderabad, H capital, and Karachi capital. Are you getting me? Now look at the sixth sentence. It is a New Year's Eve on Saturday. So I is the beginning, so we will write I capital, is as it is, New Year's. Now New Year's Eve is the special word here, so we will write New Year Eve as capital. So let's do it. On Saturday. Saturday is also a name of a day, so write S also of Saturday capital. I think this all are clear, very have become easier to you, and I have also done the 3-1. So look at the 6th one. It is the New Year's Eve on Saturday. As I told you, it will be capital. I will be capital. I will be capital. It is New Year's Eve on Saturday. New Year Eve. Year's Eve is a special event, so we will write whole of it in capital form on Saturday. Saturday is also a name of a day, so we will write S capital. The British exited the subcontinent in 20th century. So the British, so the T, it is beginning, so we will write T capital. B British is a common it is the name of a state. The British is the name of a like British is a proper noun, so we will write B capital. Exited subcontinent in the 20th century. All of the rest of the sentence will be in same way, but only B and T will be capital. So look at the 8th one. The Italian pizza is famous all over the world. So T, as it is the beginning of the sentence, so we will write T capital, and Italian is a name of a place, so we will write I capital. Italian as it is, I capital, and pizza as it is as it is, famous as it is, all over the world as it is. So I hope all these sentences you have noted down correctly in your book, and all is that for today. And now take out your English workbook of class 4 and look at page 9 of it. So what you have to do, this is the same thing in your workbook. So you have to do all these 6 sentences as homework. Are you clear? Because there's nothing in it. You have to write all these lines in capital form, like Tom, T capital, I capital. No, you are telling the truth. Aunt Polly, P capital. Said. Same as his, I capital. Karachi capital, K capital. Last in December capital, W capital. Or Asar is a proper name. Raza, R capital. Teacher also. You have to do it in on your own as a homework, and there's nothing difficult in it. This is very easy, and I want you to do this in your book on your own, without taking anyone's help, because this is very easy. And I hope you have noted down correctly all the answers in your textbook. All is that for today. Thank you.